All right, so I'm talking about Fannie Mae home renovation program again, but this time this is part 2 of a 4-series video series. So technically, let's go over the meat of this program. So you just have to have a 620 minimum FICO score, which is amazing. Most people, your average borrower, will have 620. Non-occupant co-borrowers are allowed, so that's another amazing factor. If you can't qualify on your own, you can add somebody that's not going to live in the property and still get qualified. Number 3, technically there's no restrictions on improvements. That's another amazing thing, as long as the property appraises. And number 4, there's no restrictions on the type of improvements. So that's another factor, same thing, as long as the property appraises. And number 5, if you cannot live in the property for whatever reason during the construction of the property, the renovation of the property, guess what? You can put aside 6 months and factor it into the total loan amount of PITI. Meanwhile, the property is being constructed, because obviously you can't live in the property. So that's another great factor about this program. So reach out to me, guys, if you guys have any questions. If you're an agent and you can benefit from this program, or your clients can benefit from this, because I think everybody can, reach out to me, shoot me a scenario. I would love to be able to help you and guide you. If you're a loan officer, if you have any questions and you're trying to have products that can gain attention and you want to partner up with a broker that can help you, feel free to give me a call at 818-339-2009 or shoot me an email, Cesar@teamchatham.com. Thank you so much.